is Michelle. When the sun goes down on my side of town, the lonesome feeling comes to my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad tracks. I got a table for two, weighing the band, we're seated alone, and think of losing you. I spend most every night beneath the lights of a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dancing out on the beams of a neon moon. I think of two young lovers running wide and free. Close my eyes and sometimes see you in shadows. All this smoke-filled room, no telling how many tears I've sat here and cried, telling how many lies that I've lied, telling my poor heart she'll come back someday. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beams of a neon moon. Come on, it's jukebox plays on drink by drink. The words of every sad song to what I think that is hurt inside of me ain't never gonna end. Oh, but I'll be alright as soon as the lights of a neon moon. If you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beams of a neon moon. Just watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beams of a neon moon. Just watch your broken dreams dancing out of the beams of the neon moon. Alright, that song is from Brooks and Dunn.